Standard service today on this 5th gen RAV4. I'm going to show you how to do a proper oil change and tire rotation the way we do it at the dealer. Let's get to work. Do you change your oil every 5K or 10K miles? Maintenance light is reset and we're good to go. If this helped you, join the shop. We're almost at 200 subs. See you on the next one.